All right, here I want to show you a trick in case you encounter an anchor that spins. So we have an anchor in there that's a 3/16, and what happens is the anchor is spinning in the wall. That blows, right? So what I'm going to do is to show you a trick on how to keep that from happening. And what I'm going to do is just take a screwdriver, right, flathead, decent size, and just push on it with one hand. Take the drill, and we get it started. Now the anchor is opening up, right? Now, just in case it happens with this one, we're going to check it and see. So before I tighten the bottom one against the wall, I want to make sure this one catches. So we're going to do that. Let's see. All right, and is that spinning? No, it's not spinning. Okay, so there we go. All right, nice tight fit on that one. A nice tight fit on that one, and that's the trick. So basically, being that it was spinning, just press down with a flathead, and just once it gets started, you don't have to keep the pressure on it, and that'll keep the anchor from spinning. That was a toggler I was using. All right, if this helped, appreciate it if you click the like button, subscribe, and all that. Thank you.